So this is exciting. We have a brand new resource for you, and I'm going to walk you through it. I'm in the classroom right now. This is where we store our digital content because this is a digital program. This is for families who have a lot of stress going on. Their kids are volatile. The moods are high. They are stressed. The kids can't sleep. You're getting phone calls home from school, or maybe your child can't go to school because they're just too anxious. I want you to meet amino acids. These are nutritional supplements that we can give our kids. We can take them ourselves as well, too, and they can bring some quick calm and stability to the nervous system. Now, there is more going on with your kid than just this, but this can be a great pressure valve. It can just relieve the stress and the tension in the home to an extent that you can all think and communicate and connect and find your next step. So what we have done is we've taken all of our amino acid resources out of the resilience roadmap and put them in a standalone product so you can learn how to use these as pressure valves. We're going to talk about tryptophan, 5-HTP, tyrosine, and GABA. And we have a special conversation about melatonin as a guest. It's actually not an amino acid, but it's in the same family. So we're going to talk about that. I'm going to explain why these help, how to choose the right one for your child, how to do a trial. I am going to talk about neurotransmitter testing because some people really like to do testing. I'm going to talk about the pros and the cons of doing testing before you choose your amino acid to start with. But I'm also going to explain how to choose the right amino acid without the testing. And of course, we're going to talk about cautions. What if your child's on medications? How are you going to monitor this? What to expect? What if something goes wrong? What do you do? And all of that good stuff. And so it's going to take you about 2 hours or so to get through all this recorded content. By that time, I feel pretty confident that you're going to have a really good sense of what to do. I want you taking action. I've taken out all of the fluff. This is not a fluffy course. This is an action-oriented course so that you can take some action and make use of this pressure valve. Like I say, it is not the end of the story, but it can definitely take the stress down a notch so that everyone feels a little bit more calmer and more secure, and the phone calls stop and people are sleeping and people just feel a little bit more stable. I'm going to tell you exactly the ones that I use. I've got links to my dispensaries here if you need them, but I've also, written it out so you can find them wherever you buy your supplements. So I'm very excited that more families are going to be able to use this as a tool for themselves as the parent, but also for their kids.